everyone, just to answer some questions concerning this circuit. Grandad said that the real test would be to light a white LED, see if that toroid coil is working and that this LED doesn't just light on a 1.5 volt. I showed that this LED does not light on 1.5 volt, it has to have 3 volts, but just to show that this toroid is working, I got a white LED here which Grandad said uses 3.2 I think volts, and I'm just going to put it across this one here to show that there you go, it lights up. I don't know if you can see that. I'll just do a close up of it. So here we are, lights up, 3.5 volt LED plus this one, so two LEDs light up on 1.5 volt. So I'm really pleased with this circuit. I'm really pleased with this toroid as well, how wonderfully it works as well, lighting up two LEDs indeed. I'm going to turn the light off. So I'm pleased with that indeed. There you go. Oh, thank you Grandad for asking that, because I needed to know if this really did work or not, but that proves it. Okay, the next question is one of my subscribers asked, I think CJ, and he's saying that if I put a capacitor across, would it flash? I don't want to open this up because the wire is quite fine and everything else, so I'll use another toroid coil I have and see if it works on that one. Okay, so this is for Samson CJ, one of my subscribers, asked me a question: if I put a capacitor, would it make the LED flash? And that's on, hang on this one. Like I said, I don't want to take all that apart, so I thought I'll try it on this coil here. And I've tried a few capacitors and resistors and all kind of nonsense. In the end, I had to look at one of these diagrams here to find out where it would connect. I found a 470 microfarad capacitor. So I got a 470 microfarad capacitor here, right? So I tried it and it does work. It connected across the resistor. I found when I connected across the resistor, it worked flashing. There you go guys, it's working nicely, connecting right across the resistor, and you might say, where's that? Okay, so the one end of the resistor is connected on the base and the other end is connected to the coil here. So yeah, there you go. Thank you for that, Samson CJ, because you know something, I was wondering if I could make it into flashing. I'm going to kind of make this one flashing now and leave this capacitor on it. So appreciate that, your question. So I'd like to give a little update on this one. I said, you know, see how long the battery lasts. It lasted 19 days, exactly 19 days. So I was quite pleased with that. For 19 days, the battery to last like that. So that's that one done. I was hoping it would last longer, but no. 19 days, guys. So one more thing I got to tell you guys is this is tilted. So the needle's coming out a little bit. The needle's coming out a little bit there, so it's just tilting a little bit. So imagine this is just tilted slightly like that. Not a lot. So this wheel stays on and it kind of spins very good. A little update on this one. It's still flashing. It's very, very low. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see still flashing, very low indeed. Okay, so the battery's dying out. How long's that gone for? Let me see now. Yeah, so it's been 24 days since I put this on this battery, and it's just flashing quite fast. I don't know if you can see that, but it is flashing still. So we'll say 24, 25 or a bit more days, probably about a month maybe on one battery. Anyway, that's my updates on them. These things are working that long. I haven't got anything that works for a year yet. Hope so. I'm still trying to work on the other project to make it work at night. Now, just an update on this project. I haven't been able to make it run at night time. This battery just doesn't give off enough power to run this particular coil. So I'm still working on that. And if anybody has suggestion, I even tried, as I said, I even tried a toroid coil with this one, but still no luck. There you go, Mr. Samson CJ. I've done it now. I'll put the capacitor in permanently. I'm going to just switch it on, and it works beautiful. Really appreciate this because I wanted to know how to make it flash myself anyway. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up.